Oh, I love these beautiful Sash windows, but they're only single glazed and drafty. They're costing me a fortune in heating bills. So here's a fix that stops drafts without altering the original window at all. It's called secondary glazing, and this is exactly how you fit it. Right, first thing, if anything on your window sticks out proud of the frame, you'll need to sort that out. There's no point going any further if your secondary panel can't lie flat against your frame. In my case, these brass lifts were poking out, so I made them a bit flatter. Screw them back on. Lovely. Now, measure up all your windows individually. Send off your secondary glazing kit. When it arrives, you should get acrylic sheets cut to size, a magnetic strip, you stick this onto the acrylic sheet, and a steel strip, which goes on your window frame. Clean your window frame thoroughly so the metal tape will stick to it like an angry limpet. Pull the protective film off one side of the acrylic sheet and stick the magnetic tape all around the perimeter. Trim it for a perfect fit. When you've finished, it would look like this. Now, temporarily lay your steel tape over the top of your magnetic tape. Don't take the backing off yet, because you'll eventually stick it to the window frame. But doing it this way allows you to cut the steel tape to perfectly match the magnetic tape. Next, take your time to position the panel carefully over the window. I'm using shims to ensure it stays in position. When you've got the panel exactly where you want it, use a sharp pencil to mark the outline on the frame. Now you can stick the steel tape you cut earlier to the frame, knowing it will be a perfect match for your acrylic panel. Last of all, place your secondary glazing against the frame. You'll get a satisfying sense of pride as the magnetic strip snaps against the steel tape. Before you can say Llanfair Pwll Gwyngill go gerich o'n drobo Llantysilio go go goch, the drafts are gone and the room feels warmer. And because you haven't potched around with the windows, they look as authentic and period as they ever did. In summer, when you actually fancy a bit of a breeze, just pull the panels off and store them somewhere. I hide them behind the cupboard. Make sure they're flat though. This is one of the easiest and most effective upgrades you can make to a period home. And when you take the secondary glazing off, you'd never know it was there. You get your original windows back. Jones of Splinter, signing off. Hwyl fawr.